Sairam ma'am.
Saira ma'am.
Saram ma'am.
Saira ma'am.
Sairam children, Sairam all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, my laptop is giving problems. Am I audible, Harish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, now it's it. Yes. First, all of you, please, on the cameras. Yeah. Sonia, you're going to start the Omkaram today. Okay? And then you
Yes,
directly from
ma'am.
Omkaram, you're taking over, and whomever you want to hand over in your team members, you'll be doing that. Okay? So, for it.
Ma'am, actually, I am not doing the presentation. You told me to inform them.
Okay, I thought you were also a part of the team. Anyway,
No,
I'll
ma'am.
I'll just on this presentation for 1 minute when you're doing the Omkaram. Okay, so you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
take over now. Start the Omkaram, Sonia.
All of you join your hands, close your eyes, and get ready for Omkar. Fire, fire, Papa ji,
Okay, I'll start.
Monica.
Om. Sonia, can you please off your mic? Om. 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 Sairam. Okay. Where are you, Navya and Ria? They were the two members, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, where are they? Navya and Ria. Please on your cameras and mic. You are doing the presentation today and you're not visible. Ria? Navya is not there at all. And Ria is very conveniently left the meeting. Very nice. मैंने इसीलिए वो उसमें लिखा था कि no excuses. I'm seriously going to put 0 marks of yours now. अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि ये सब करने से कुछ होगा, and I already give you 5 days for this. Both of them are not there, Rumisha. Can you see them? I am not able to see them.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
And we were supposed to do the which seventh chapter? Isn't it?
No, ma'am. 8th chapter.
Eighth one. Okay. And they both have bunked the class today. Great.
Yes, ma'am. 8th chapter.
Eighth chapter. So we'll do one thing. We'll go with Tata Edge now when they are not there. One second. Any idea which topic we were doing previously? Direct, indirect?
Yes, ma'am.
No, it was over almost.
So that's what I'm telling. I'll not be taking that. So which topic would you like to take in these?
Particles and determiners.
Okay. Romisha, as soon as these people come now, Ria and this Sonia is also not there. Sonia,
Yes, ma'am.
आपने तो बोला था कि मैंने बात की थी.
Ma'am, I informed Ria and she told that I have too much time for this and I will inform Navya today only.
Nee, when did you talk to her?
Ma'am, on that day.
You mean on Wednesday?
Yes, ma'am.
Since then only, I mean, once only you spoke to her.
Yes, ma'am. I called her 3 times, but she was not at home when she came. She called back and then I told her.
Okay. So please, after this class also, you can talk to them and they tell them that the rest of the year I'm going to put absent for them.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर उनमें ये सब करना है तो.
Yes, ma'am.
And their internal marks is in my hand now. And this was a part of that internal marks only, how you do the presentation. You tell them that many children, even Rumisha's group, Harish's group, everyone have done it. And it was their chance. They don't on their cameras, they don't are not at all participant in giving the answers and all. If they want me to talk directly to the parents, I'm ready to do that also now. Is it audible clearly, the voice?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Actually, this system's voice quality is very... Oh God, what will I show you then today? Do one thing, Harish, do you have anything to show? Or can you log in from the Tata Edge? Because my systems, all the speakers are gone. And we have to get
Ma'am, we
it
can
repaired.
read the
But
chapter.
I don't have the PDF. If anyone has it, you can share. Does anyone have? This previous chapter's PDF, do you have, Harish? The one we completed last leaf?
No, ma'am.
Pranav, do you have? It'll hardly take, I think, 1 minute. Then you can quickly download it from the CBSE site. Then I'll stop my presentation and you can show that PDF so that we can do some reading practice. This is what happens. I was trusting these girls and this is what they did. Okay, you have the supplementary. Okay, fine. Those who have the supplementary, please give me a signal like I have, or me, you can write so that I can tell you to read. And then just one thing you have to remember, on the camera and read. Okay, Srishti. So Srishti, you can start reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Forget the presentation part. I mean, PDF. If it's there, Harish will tell me. Otherwise, you start it, Srishti.
Yes, ma'am. A house is not a home, chapter 8. This story reflects the challenges of being a teenager and the problems of growing up. How does the author overcome his problems? My first year of high school felt awkward. After leaving junior high at the head of my class with all the seniority the upper grade levels could afford, it felt strange starting over as a freshman. The school was twice as big as my old school, and to make matters worse, my closest friends were sent to a different high school. I felt very isolated. I missed my old teachers so much that I would go back and visit them. They would encourage me to get involved in school activities so that I could meet new people. They told me that in time I would adjust and probably end up loving my new school more than I had my old one. Sorry. They made me promise that when that happened, I would still come by and visit them from time to time. I understood the physiology in what they were saying, but I took some comfort in it nonetheless. One Sunday afternoon, not long after I had started high school, I was sitting at home at a dining room table doing homework. It was a cold and windy fall day, and we had a fire going in our fireplace. As usual, my red tabby cat was lying on top of all my papers, purring loudly and occasionally swatting at my pen for entertainment's sake. She was never far from me. I had rescued her when she was a kitten, and somehow she knew that I was the one responsible for giving her the good life. My mother kept stoking the fire to keep the house nice and warm. Suddenly, I smelled something strange, and then I noticed it. Smoke pouring in through the seams of the ceiling. The smoke began to fill the room so quickly that we could barely see. Groping our way to the front door, we all ran out into the front yard. By the time we made our way outside, the whole roof was engulfed in flames and it was spreading quickly. I ran to the neighbors to call the fire department. While I watched my mother run back into the house. My mother then ran out of the house carrying a small metal box full of important documents. She dropped the case on the lawn and, in a crazed state, ran back into the house. I knew what she was after. My father had died when I was young, and I was certain that she was not going to let his pictures and letters go up in flames. They were the only things that she had to remember him by. Still, I screamed at her, Mom, no! I was about to run after her when I felt a large hand hold me back. It was a fireman. I hadn't even noticed that the street had already filled with fire trucks. I was trying to free myself grasp, from his grasp, yelling, "You don't understand. My mother's in there." He hit
Ma'am, is it there?
Yes, it is visible clearly. Just show that paragraph which she is reading.
page number 15, page number 2.
This one?
Third paragraph.
I was about to run. Okay.
One Sunday afternoon one.
Srishti, which one is it?
Scroll down.
I
I
was
was
about to run.
yeah. I was about to run after her when I felt a large hand pulled me back. It was a fireman. I hadn't even noticed that the street had already filled with fire trucks. I was trying to free myself from his grasp, yelling, You don't understand. My mother is in there. He held on to me while other firefighters ran into the house. He knew that I wasn't acting very logically and that if he were to let go, I had run. He was right. It's all right. They will get her, he said. He wrapped a blanket around me and set me down in a car. Soon after that, a fireman emerged from our house with my mom in tow. He quickly took her over to the truck and put an oxygen mask on her. I ran over and hugged her. All those times I ever argued with her and hated her vanished at the thought of losing her. She's going to be okay, said the fireman. She just inhaled a little smoke, and then he ran back to fight the fire while my mother and I sat there dazed. I remember watching my house burn down and thinking that there was nothing I could do about it. 5 hours later, the fire was finally out. Our house was almost completely burned down, but then it struck me. I hadn't seen my cat. Where was my cat? Much to my horror, I realized that she was nowhere to be found. And all at once it hit me. The new school, the fire, my cat. I broke down in tears and cried and cried. I was suffering loss with time. The fireman wouldn't let us go back into the house that night. It was still too dangerous, dead or alive. I couldn't imagine leaving without knowing about my cat. Regardless, I had to go. We piled we piled into the car with just the clothes on our backs and a few of the fireman's blankets and made our way to my grandparents' house to spend the night. The next day, Monday, I went to school when the fire broke out. I was still wearing the dress I had worn to church that morning, but I had no shoes. I had kept them off when I was doing my homework. They became yet another casualty of the fire. So I had to borrow some tennis shoes from my aunt. Why wouldn't I just stay home from school? My mother wouldn't hear of it, but I was totally embarrassed by everything. The clothes I was wearing looked weird. I had no books or homework, and my backpack was gone. I had my life in that backpack. The more I tried to fit in, the worse it got. Was I what is it written? Ma'am?
Yes, better. Which one?
Was I
I mean, actually, the PDF, I don't have the textbook.
Harish Scroller? अरे ऊपर कर मैम दैट मैम second last paragraph, fourth line.
Fourth line. One, two, three. Which word? Casualty? Which one are you saying?
No, ma'am. Was I destined to be and this there? Yeah, it is destined or what?
De-
Destined.
destined. Destined.
Was I
सोचो
destined?
आज चलो anyway continue.
Was I destined to be an outcast and a geek all my life? That's what it felt like. I didn't want to grow up, change, or have to handle life if it was going to be this way. I just wanted to curl up and die. I walked around school like a zombie. Everything felt surreal, and I wasn't sure what was going to happen. All the security I had known from my old school, my friends, my house, and my cat had all been ripped away. When I walked through what used to be my house after school that day, I was shocked to see how much damage there was. Whatever hadn't burned was destroyed by the water and chemicals they had used to put out the fire. The only material things undestroyed were the photo albums, documents, and some other personal items that my mother had managed to heroically rescue. But my cat was gone, and my heart ached for her. There was no time to grieve. My mother rushed me out of the house. We would have to find a place to live, and I would have to go buy some clothes for school. We had to borrow money from my grandparents because there were no credit cards, cash, or even any identification to be able to.
There's a scene in everyone's house actually. I had seen a very nice video actually recently. In that, now, rather I would say I had even attended a workshop with the whole school, and principal sir also was there, and they had it was live streaming over there, a very big the top level of, like you can say, the CBSC, these people no, who manage everything, like हमारे एग्जाम्स कब होंगे and the decisions they take, इनके पैनल वगैरह होता है, तो they were giving this live uh, uh, workshop, not exactly workshop, seminar actually it was, and all our school teachers, even sir was there, even he was a participant in that, but he was also attending it, and you wouldn't believe it, one person who had arranged it, he must be around 70 or something, 65 to 70, and he was giving this from behind, obviously where he's sitting, it is in this house, it is pandemic time, and it's pandemic for everyone, you should understand that. तो आप बड़ों को और बच्चों को रोक नहीं सकते हो, जो, and his father, he must be around 80 or 90, he came from behind बड़े अच्छे से, और वो ऐसे आके, जैसे बूढ़े होते हैं ना, बूढ़े लोग जो आके झांकते, आए, वो झांका, ऐसे स्माइल किया और चले गए. So it was so sweet, you know. मतलब ठीक है, so what यार, it's a house, basically वो घर है, it's not an office. हम जब स्कूल में होते हैं, ऑफिस में होते हैं, तो हम बहुत ही पॉलिश्ड और डिसिप्लिन्ड और ये सब होते हैं. तो अगर थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा होता है, एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम माय साइड, इट्स ओके, आई अंडरस्टैंड, इट्स योर हाउस एंड यू हैव, एवरीवन हैज अ लिमिटेड स्पेस ओवर देयर, तो हमको बहुत ज्यादा हौ हल्ला नहीं करना चाहिए. Like you must have heard just now, even my son happened to come. Now I'll just tell you the truth that he was giving his half yearly exam. Just it got over at 2:45. So I wanted this laptop. I was like, I keep poking. मुझे कब देगा, कब देगा, कब देगा, मुझे जल्दी दे, जल्दी दे. And these people, I can even show you this. See here, I have got this extension. I don't know how to use it. He uses it क्योंकि उनके में है कि जब आप एग्जाम दे रहे हो तो कैमरा भी वहां सेट होएगा, मतलब on the paper. So he has two, the mobile over here, so वो ताकि टीचर को दिखे कि मैं नहीं चीटिंग कर रहा हूँ. It was his science paper, class 10th, and ठीक है. तो मतलब मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि, and just now he came for the doubt because he got up very late and कि मम्मी मैं ये करूँगी because I'm after him. So do you have to do pranayam? He's got a crooked nose actually. He can't breathe properly. पूरा टेढ़ी है नाक उसकी. तो I'm off after him that करना है. तो he got late. He went directly for the exam and he completed the exam. He kept asking, "पहले pranayam करूँगी, whether I should have my bath first." So it's okay. मतलब, and easily he was just seen very quickly off the camera, and this one also. I was answering him actually. तो इतना वो नहीं होना चाहिए, rigidness and all that. Like if you want, you can have water, you can give a bottle with you, you can talk. क्योंकि reading इतनी होती है तो प्यास भी लगती है. क्लास में तो आप पी लेते हो. मैंने, you know, I never tell you to take my permission. You have your bottle, you sit and drink it. It's okay. And I know that you people are a bit shy, the age group which you are, you don't like owning cameras. Like obviously it is badegi. Like I see my daughter, she's in, you people know that she's in NIFT, and now her 4th year has started. तो टीचर बोलता रहता है, बोलता रहता है, बोलता रहता है, not even a single child on the camera. तो जैसे जैसे बड़े हो गए तुम लोग भी वैसे ही बनोगे, I know that. But ठीक, at least when till you're in the school, we can have a few rules, isn't it? And we should be this one. Even the teacher feels. Okay, one seminar she attended. You won't believe it. They had a guest lecture because in colleges you have guest lectures. They call बड़े बड़े personalities को बुलाते हैं and they tell to share their views on a particular topic with the students. So there was a guest lecture, and in that all participants were mute. Only the HOD, my daughter, and the guest lecture. Only these three were the participants. And he kept telling, because her name is also Srishti, he kept telling, okay, now Srishti, now she was very happy because she asked lots of doubts. क्योंकि उस टाइम तक तो आपका ये हालत होती ना, it's your future, you're going to work soon, you're going to be employed. तो इतने सारे डाउट्स होते हैं कि क्या अच्छा है मेरी लाइफ के लिए, क्या नहीं अच्छा. तो शी टुक एडवांटेज ऑफ द होल सिचुएशन. कहती मम्मी आज मजा आ गया, वो गेस्ट लेक्चर को सिर्फ मैं ही क्वेश्चंस पूछ रही थी बिकॉज एवरीवन वाज जस्ट अटेंडेंस लगाई और या भाग गए बिकॉज दे न्यू इट वाज नॉट दैट इम्पोर्टेंट, तो चले गए. But then yes, the HOD did see that she was a good student and she was attending. Okay, तो होता है, पता है. तो ये जो नव्या एंड ऑल दिस थिंग हैव डन ना, तो मेरे को इससे ज्यादा पता है बिकॉज माय डॉटर टेल्स मी इवन मोर बिग बिग थिंग्स जो कर हो सकता है. तो इट्स नॉट दैट आई डोंट नो. बेटा भी 10th में है, तुमसे बड़ा है, और वो भी है, बेटी 4th ईयर में है. सो इतनी मैं बेवकूफ नहीं हो सकती कि मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या क्या होता है. It's by choice that sometimes I avoid scolding you people. Okay, but yes, advantage ले, जैसे इन लोगों ने किया है, जैसे आए अटेंडेंस लगा के रिया लेफ्ट करके चले गई, अब कहेगी नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम. ग्रेट है ना. I haven't seen her in the uniform yet. Anyway, okay, sorry Srishti to interrupt you. You can continue. One second, Srishti, can I change the child now? Yes. Next, I would like to call Kinjal. Kinjal Bharil. Srishti, just tell her from where to continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Kinjal? Kinjal? Yes, beta. And can you on your camera,
ma'am.
please?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Then I'll give another student the time. By the time you can wear your uniform. Damini, you can continue.
Ma'am, from that week,
No,
Yes,
from,
yes.
we had to borrow money from my.
We
we
have.
had to borrow money from my grandparents because there were no credit cards, cash, or even any identification to be able to withdraw money from the bank. Everything had gone up in smoke. That week, the rubble that used to be our house was being cleared off the lot. Even though we had rented an apartment nearby, I would go over to watch them clear away debris, hoping that my cat was somewhere to be found. She was gone. I kept thinking about her as that vulnerable little kitten. In the in the early morning, when I would disturb her and get up out of bed, she would tag along after me, climb up my robe, and crawl into my pocket to fall asleep. I was missing her terribly. It was seems bad that bad news spreads quickly, and in my case, it was no different. Everyone in high school, including the teachers, was aware of my plight. I was embraced as if somehow I were responsible. What a way to start off at a new school. This was not the kind of attention I was looking for. The next day at school, people were acting even more strange than usual. I was getting ready for gym class at my locker. People were milling around me, asking me to hurry up. I thought it strange, but in the light of the past few weeks, nothing would surprise me. It almost seemed that they were trying to shove me into the gym. Then I saw why. There was a big table set up with all kinds of stuff on it just for me. They had taken up a collection and bought me school supplies, notebooks, all kinds of different clothes, jeans, tops, sweatsuit. It was like Christmas. I was overcome by emotion. People who had never spoken to me before were coming up to be introduced themselves. I got all kinds of invitation to their houses. Their genuine outpouring of concern really touched me. In that instant, I finally breathed a sigh of relief and thought for the first time that things were going to be okay. I made friends that day. A month later, I was at my house watching them rebuild it, but this time it was different. I wasn't alone. I was with two of my new friends from school. It took a fire for me to stop focusing on my feelings of insecurity and open up all the wonderful people around me. Now I was sitting there watching my house being rebuilt when I realized my life was doing the same thing. While we sat there on the curb planning my new bedroom, I heard someone walk up to me from behind and say, "Does this belong to you?" When I turned around to see who it was, I could not believe my eyes. A woman was standing there holding my cat. I leapt up and grabbed her out of the woman's arm. I held her close to me and cried into the beautiful orange fur. She purred happily. My friends were hugging me, hugging the cat, and jumping around. Apparently, my cat had been so freaked by the fire that she ran over a mile away. Her collar had our phone number on it, but our phones had been destroyed and disconnected. This wonderful woman took her in and worked hard to find out whose cat it was. Somehow she knew his cat was loved and sorely missed. As I sat as I sat there with my friends and my cat curled up in my lap, all the overwhelming feelings of loss and tragedy seemed to diminish. I felt gratitude for my life, my new friends, the kindness of a stranger, and loud purr of my beloved cat. My cat was back, and so was I.
Okay, thank you, Damini. Just a few minutes are left. I want to tell that next time. Now I'm telling the names of a few children. Karthik, are you there? Please on your camera, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Just on your camera, I want to talk to you.
Yes, ma'am.
No, no, don't stop presenting. Let half of the thing be visible. I'll be in the small corner. Yes, Karthik. Karthik, I want you to do the presentation of this chapter now. You can choose your team. Like you can, if you want, you can take Dhruv. If and Rishabh, is it he okay with you or Harsh Modi? Whom do you want to take?
Dhruv.
Dhruv and three students at least. So who is going to be the third one? I want that one child should learn from you people. Like Dhruv is also good and you're also good. So Rishabh can he? ये नहीं कि वो कुछ भी ना करवाए, वो भी करेगा.
Ma'am, I can ask Raghav.
राघव, ओके ठीक है, फाइन. राघव इज ऑल्सो गुड. ठीक है, उस बहाने वो आएगा तो सही. ठीक है. एंड यू टेल हिम दैट मैम को तुम पे बहुत गुस्सा आया हुआ है, स्पेशली राघव, दैट ही इज नॉट अटेंडिंग, ही डजंट आंसर एनीथिंग. व्हेन आई टेक हिज नेम ही लीव्स द मीटिंग. तो ये नहीं चलेगा. नेक्स्ट थ्री, what will you do? Will you do it on is Wednesday? Is it possible?
Ma'am, we'll see.
नो नो, वी विल सी नहीं. आज वाला फिर हो जाएगा जैसे ये नव्या और रिया ने किया है. You have to be tell me. इसलिए the reading also is done. I wanted to utilize this time for asking.
Ma'am, I have to ask both the team members.
अभी है 2 दिन है वैसे. अभी भी शुरू करोगे जैसे distribute the work. एक तो आइडिया ये है. Is Dhruv there? Can he also on the camera?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
हाँ, Dhruv. Yes, Dhruv, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just a minute. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, बाल अच्छे लग रहे हैं, बस टी शर्ट थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ है और कुछ नहीं. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
What I'm saying is you both will be doing it along with Rishabh. ठीक है, और उससे करवाना है काम. सॉरी, नॉट ऋषभ, राघव. ठीक है, he will be learning, and you can like one child, I want you to take 2 periods. 2 periods means one, like once you can get the reading done again, obviously not by the same students, then you can discuss hard words. If you want, you can make a PPT. One child can make a PPT. Okay, 6th B has done it so nicely. 7th standard 6th children, they're so excited. मतलब वहां तो लड़ाई चल रही है कि हम करेंगे आपस में. And very nicely they are doing. They've made small questions also. They've taken it from the net. So अच्छे से they're venturing into something new. And all this will be helpful for you in future. अब तो तुम्हें समझ आ गया कि सब कुछ ही almost online ही रहेगा जिंदगी भर. I don't mean that you people not come to school. I mean after your 12th also. This online thing is a great this one. So you are learning the thing how to be, and it'll increase your confidence very nicely. Boost up your confidence in huge ways. जितना तुम फेस करोगे, जितना तुम वर्बल होगे, कम्युनिकेट करोगे, दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज गिविंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ माय डॉटर, दैट यू हैव टू बी, अपने आप को प्रोजेक्ट करना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है इन टुडेज लाइफ. अगर आप अंदर ही अंदर रहोगे तो दूसरा बंदा बाजी मार लेगा, एंड ही विल और शी विल प्रोजेक्ट हरसेल्फ, एंड कई लोगों को तो मार्क्स भी वैसे ही मिलते हैं. एवरीवन इज नॉट लाइक मी, ओके. आगे जाके इन कॉलेज ना, आई नो इट्स रॉन्ग, बट somewhere down the line even those teachers like those students who come forward and do things. Yes ma'am, we are ready to do it. ठीक है, तो in a way it's, I'm teaching you how to be bold and थोड़ा बनो तुम लोग. ठीक है, बहुत टाइम बाद तुम्हें बुला रही हूँ तुम दोनों को. That's why I gave the chance to these people previously. So this chapter you'll do the hard work, not the same which is in the grocery. Other than that also, and if you want you can write side by side Hindi one also if you want, or you can explain it over there. Okay, and question answers, like you can ask them also, these students, and there are many participants in this class, you know, who are always ready to give the answers. So in that one interaction is that one PPT, and one you can show video also if you want. Right? So it's done. Okay, Dhruv, Wednesday we will be ready. I can take your word now. Okay, fine. Okay, then all the best, both of you. And it's time also now. So I'll be just messaging you. You're in that doubts group now of 9th standard. I'll just put a message in that. Okay. Any other thing you can ask me on my personal WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, bye then. See you on Wednesday then. Bye bye.
Saram.
Sairam.
Saram, ma'am.
Saira ma'am.
Sairam. Take care.